Hi there, this is Shaminur Islam from Tech Tasted channel and welcome to my brand new video. And today we'll explore Rate My Service, just rating here from your restaurant or here's the dashboard. Here in the dashboard we can apps here for your email signature or QR code apps for rating your apps, negative or positive reviews from customers. Here is the steps one follow how can choose your rating status. Here is the written text for ratings. Here is the emojis, negative and positive. You can choose here from a pre-made word. Just choose here and look at this right into the dashboard. You can choose here from how they do it too. Also, you check your size, font size. Choose font for a lot of fonts here. You can choose here. Here is the color for the letter. Just select and automatically add it from your dashboard. How look like this. The red color are suitable. Here is this. Just check it for distance. Call to action distance. You can control here. Here is the language. I can check here from Italian. Look like this. And you also check Arabic, Danish, Dutch, English, Japanese. Here I come now choose the Spanish. Look like this. Edit your call to action. Here you can choose the static or animated content and negative and positive review. And here is the image text. You can change images text only. Choose their text only. Then here's the text. And you can choose how many images. There is emojis changes. Emojis are look like say angry, cool, or satisfaction level of here. You can choose the emojis. All of the emojis. I like this emojis. Here is the animated dashboard here. Love this and rating there. Now we can this is internal review from this is internally review from our templates are ready made pre-made from this software. And this is how can I review this. I paste my name who can review and paste some word review satisfaction or not. I can write just based and submit the review. And this is results. Also you can check from the external sources. Here is the you edit here record customs or externals. Now I can click the next. Here is the stops names full names. Here is the edit agent. Edit it. Bulk export optional. Here is the G Suite. Are you super admin or not? You can choose here from bulk export for Gmail, Office Suite, Google Drive. You can choose here also for import external sources for CSV file. Here is the staff member, edit agent full name and email address. That's it from here. Next, copy to clipboard and it's look great. Here's the final result of the dashboard and the ratings when I rating there. And here's my name and date and rating result. Here's the view the result. What are the messages? And this I can paste here in the ratings. And here's the new reviews. Here's the reporting. Or is that this is look great, and what's the taste, last 90 days, past days result, how many ratings, how are happy or not, and there's the graph. And this is very cool for all or who can reviews on ratings. Here this is very unique and very handy for. And this is all from now. Thank you and enjoy.